Hi guys, welcome back to iWeb Makers. Today let's see how to create a complete user registration system in C#. Today in this video, let's see how to create a modern UI design, complete user registration system in C#. After creating this solution, you will find this interface to log in. Click this Create Account to register a new account. Now enter the username and then the password. Click Show Password to display the password. I will enter an unmatching password to show how the validations work. Now I will enter data to all three fields, then click Clear. Now I will enter the correct data. Then press Register. Now the account has been created. Let's go ahead and log in. Hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Now let's go ahead and create it. Now open Visual Studio. Then start a new project, even you can continue with your own one. Select Windows Form Application. I will change the project name into Login and Registration System. Then press OK. Now select a form to change its properties, follow as I do. Now drag a label to the form and follow its properties. Now drag another label to the form and follow its properties. Now drag a text box to the form and follow its properties.
Beats by Dallas, make it hurt.
copy the registration button. Now copy the registration button by pressing the Control button and change its properties as done. This button will be the Clear Fields button. Now drag a label to the form and change its properties as done. Align the elements to center, as done. Then select the elements and copy them. Now let's create another form to login. So add a new Windows form and name it as FRM Login. After creating the form, simply change this form properties as done. Alright, now paste the elements which we copied earlier. Now create the fields as done. Save the database. I will add a sample data and go to File, then select Save As. Save as, access 2002 to 2003 database type. And save to the path where the database was saved early. Then close MS Access. Now back to Visual Studio. Don't forget to enter this line of code at top. At this point we connect the database to our system. This must be done without any mistakes. If not, it will lead to an error. And, if you are confused, don't forget to check the project files link given in the description. Double-click the Register button. First, we'll create a validation to deny empty text fields with a message box. Another validation to check whether the passwords are matching or not. These 3 lines of code must be placed at the start of the program and out of any methods. Make sure you replace those correctly. Now, here comes the main codes. These codes work to send user credentials to the database we created.
Beats by Dallas, make it hurt.
Double-click the checkbox to write some code, which toggles the password visibility. The password bullet character can be typed by pressing Alt and number 7 simultaneously on your keyboard. Search for password char in the properties and type the bullet using Alt key. Doing this will make the passwords masked in bullets. These 3 lines sets the text field to empty. And now, copy those. It can be used in clear button though. Double-click the clear button. Then paste it. Finally, the registration part is completed. Now add these lines to navigate to your login page. Now we have completed the registration part. Let's start the login process. Same validation codes will be used in login, except the names. Okay, now let's go to the code view and start coding. As done before, first import the class. Now, let's go to the previous registration form code and copy the database linking code, as done. Then paste it here after the initialize components. Now, go to the design view and double-click the button to code. Follow all the coding as I do, else the program won't run properly. Now let's have a condition to check whether the username and password match. If it matches, let's open a new form. So I will create a new Windows form. These can be your main menu or dashboard. If you're interested in creating a dashboard, I have done 2 videos on it. I will link them from here. Now go back the coding. Let's write a code to open the new form if the credentials are correct. Now let's code a message box to display if the entered credentials are incorrect. After the message box, let's reset the text boxes. Now go to the design view and select the clear button. Now copy this 3 lines of code and paste it here. Double-click the checkbox to write some code, which toggles the password visibility. You can easily copy the previous code, which we done in the registration form, and change the text box names. Select the Create Account label and follow the code to navigate to registration form. You can download the project file from our website, link in the description. Finally, don't forget to change the password char property. Then we are done with the program. If the video is useful, a sub to the channel would be appreciated. Thanks for watching, see you guys in the next one.